Hey guys, this is Q.E.D. In this short video, we're going to learn different features of parabolas and how to sketch them. Before we get started, if you're unsure of how to find the roots of quadratics, check out my last video on solving quadratic equations. There are many descriptions and definitions of parabola in both algebraic and graphical aspects. But today, we're going to focus on parabola as a graph of quadratic functions. Here is general form of a quadratic function, where a and b are the coefficients of x squared and x respectively, and c is a constant. When you graph a quadratic function on xy plane, we call it a parabola, and here is an example. The point where the parabola cuts the axes are called intercepts. This is an y-intercept, and these two are the x-intercepts. A line that cuts the parabola into two equal parts is called an axis of symmetry, and as you can see, the point where the parabola meets the axis of symmetry is called a vertex. Now, let's find out how to sketch one of these graphs. Here is an example. To find y-intercept, we need to substitute x is equal to 0. Then we get, so the coordinate of y-intercept is 0, -6. Now, to find the x-intercept, we need to substitute y equals to 0. Then we get a nice quadratic equation. Let's factorize this using cross method. So if x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. If x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to -2. Therefore, x-intercepts are at 3, 0 and -2, 0. The axis of symmetry has a formula of x is equal to -b on 2a. If we substitute the values of a and b, then we get x is equal to 1/2. So the axis of symmetry is a vertical line that passes through x is equal to 1/2 on the x-axis. The last feature we need to find is the vertex. This can easily be found by substituting the equation of axis of symmetry into the quadratic equation, as vertex is simply an intersection between parabola and the axis of symmetry. So we get y is equal to -25/4. Therefore, the vertex has coordinates of 1/2, -25/4. Now we plot all the features we found and simply join them all, and this is what we get. Now, I have brought some practice questions for you to try. Pause the video and try them. Hit the play button when you're ready. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Q.E.